May question mo, paano pag hindi equal? Naku, babalikan mo talaga. Because of this, you need to have an equal trial balance. Okay? Alright. So, what would be the limitations of a trial balance? No? Trial balance is the proof that all transactions have been recorded. Hindi ibig sabihin daw na balance siya na it is 100% correct. Why? There would be numerous errors, no, that may exist. Even though trial balance columns agree. Why? Trial balance may be balanced even when transaction is not journalized. Nakalimutan mo ito class, no, you forgot to have entry this one. Balance mo ba tayo? Yes. Okay? And number two.